Question 1. A man starts from point P and walks 2 km north. He then turns right and walks 3 km. He again turns right and walks 2 km. Finally, he turns right and walks 3 km. In which direction is he from point P? Option A north, option B south. Correct answer is A. The man travels north, then east, then south, and finally west. This sequence returns him to the starting point, as the movements effectively cancel each other out. Question 2. A person starts walking from point A. He walks 5 km east to reach point B. From B, he turns south and walks 2 km to reach point C. Again, he turns east and walks 5 km to reach point D. Finally, he turns north and walks 12 km to reach point E. How far is point E from point A? Option A 10 km, option B 12 km. Correct answer is D. The eastward distance is 5 plus 5 equals 10 km. The northward distance is 12 2 equals 10 km. Therefore, the distance from A to E is SQRT 10 2 plus 10 2 equals SQRT 200. Simplifying results in approximately 14 km. Among options, 20 km is close. Question 3. Radha moves towards southeast a distance of 7 m, then she moves towards west and travels a distance of 14 m. From here, she moves towards northwest a distance of 7 m, and finally she moves a distance of 4 m towards east. How far is she now from the starting point? Option A 3 m, option B 4 m. Correct answer is C. Southeast and northwest cancel each other out, 7 m each. Remaining distance is 14 m west, 4 m east equals 10 m. She is 10 m away from the starting point. Question 4. One morning after sunrise, Vikram and Shailesh were standing in a lawn with their backs towards each other. Vikram's shadow fell exactly to the left of him. Which direction was Shailesh facing? Option A north, option B south. Correct answer is A. Vikram's shadow is to his left. Since it's morning, the sun is in the east, so west is to Vikram's left. Therefore, Vikram is facing south, and Shailesh is facing north. Question 5. A walks 10 meters towards the east, then turns to the right and walks 7 meters. Again turning to the right, he walks 15 meters. Further turning to the right, he walks 7 meters. How far is he from his starting point? Option A 5 meters, option B 10 meters. Correct answer is A. The person first walks 10 m east, then 7 m south, then 15 m west, and finally 7 m north. The south and north cancel each other out. The net displacement west is 15-10 equals 5 meters. Question 6. If southeast becomes north, northeast becomes west, and so on, what will west become? Option A northeast, option B northwest. Correct answer is C. Each direction is being rotated 135 degrees clockwise. Applying this to west, we get southeast, west plus 135 deg clockwise. Question 7. David walks 5 km towards east, then turns south and walks 6 km. Again, he turns east and walks 5 km. Then, he turns north and walks 12 km. How far is he now from the starting point? Option A 13 km, option B 14 km. Correct answer is A. Eastward distance equals 5 plus 5 equals 10 km. Northward distance equals 12 6 equals 6 km. Therefore, final distance from starting point equals SQRT 10 2 plus 6 2 equals SQRT 136, which is approx 11, 66 km. Option A is closest. Question 8. Amit starts walking from a point and walks 5 km north, then turns to his left and walks 3 km. After that, he again turns to his left and walks 5 km. At what distance is he now from the starting point? Option A 3 km, option B 5 km. Correct answer is A. Amit walks 5 km north and then 5 km south after turns. Distance left is only the width, which is 3 km west direction. Question 9. A watch shows 4:30. If the minute hand points towards east, in what direction will the hour hand point? Option A north, option B southeast. The correct answer is C. At 4:30, the minute hand points to 6. If 6 is east, then 12 becomes west. Thus, 3 is north and the hour hand, between 4 and 5, points northeast. Question 10. From her home, Priyana wishes to go to the stadium. First, she goes 5 km towards the east and then turns towards the north and goes 12 km. How far is the stadium from her home? Option A 18 km, option B 13 km. Correct answer is B. The distance from Priyana's home to the stadium is the hypotenuse of a right-angled triangle. Applying Pythagoras theorem, SQRT, 5:2 plus 12:2 equals SQRT, 25 plus 144 equals SQRT, 169 equals 13 km. Question 11. A person walks 8 km towards east, then turns left and walks 6 km, then turns right and walks 5 km, then again turns right and walks 6 km. In which direction is he now with respect to the starting point? Option A east, option B west. Correct answer is A. The person moves 8 km east, 6 km north, 5 km east, and 6 km south. North and south cancel out. East is 8 plus 5 equals 13 km. Hence, he is in east direction. Question 12. If A is to the south of B and C is to the east of B, in what direction is A with respect to C? Option A northeast, option B northwest. Correct answer is D. Visualize B at the center. A is south of B and C is east of B. Therefore, A is southwest of C. Question 13. Namita is facing northwest. She turns 90 degrees in the clockwise direction and then 135 degrees in the anticlockwise direction. Which direction is she facing now? Option A east, option B west. Correct answer is B. Namita initially faces northwest. 90 degrees clockwise turns her to northeast. Then, 135 degrees anticlockwise brings her to west. Northeast 135 equals west. Question 14. One evening, Raju was walking towards the sun. After a while, he turned to his right. Again, after a while, he turned to his right. In which direction is he facing now? Option A north, option B south. Correct answer is A. In the evening, the sun is in the west, so Raju is walking towards west. Turning right twice means turning 180 degrees I. E will face east if turned once to his right. This right is north. Question 15. You go north, turn right, then right again, and then go to the left. In which direction are you now? Option A east, option B west. Correct answer is A. Starting north, turning right is east, turning right again is south, and turning left from south makes it east.